Hello everybody, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make drumstick and potato curry, and it will be very nice to eat. You all also try and make it. It will be very nice to eat also. So come on, let us start to make the curry. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. So come on, we will start now. First I have to put this karai on the stove. I have taken drumstick and potato. Okay, then I have chopped some onions, 2 onions, medium size. For the masala, I have taken mustard paste and garlic paste. So now I'm using mustard oil. So I'm going to put the mustard oil in this. The mustard oil turns hot, then I will put the onions to fry. Till the onion turns golden brown, I will stir it. Onions have turned golden brown. Now first of all, I'll put the garlic paste. And then I will put the mustard paste. I will put some chili powder. Then I will put some saffron. Then I will let the masala brown. My masala is turning brown. Now I will add the tomatoes. I have taken 1 medium sized tomato and I will add it now to the masala. Now I will add the salt. Add some water. Then I will put some coriander leaves. Now I will let the curry cook at least my drumstick curry is almost ready.